In Finland we treat the animals quite well, but there are some cases that in the news the activists have filmed how they treat the animals in farms, and sometimes it's not that good, but I bet it's better than most countries. Yeah, my dad used to be a farmer, and we used to have cows and we used to have horses, so for me it's really important to see that the animals are doing fine. What is it called? Well, we have a minister in the government, and then we also have Greenpeace, I think PETA, PETA, and I think that's about it. I think you just have to show the people how the things are, to see them and to shock them how bad people treat animals, and then when they know how bad they treat them, they will want to change the situation. If you see someone doing something bad to animals, you should inform the people who can do more about it, and then they can stop it. Cruelty, I think it's stupid. You should treat the animals in a good way, because anyway they are creatures that live and they get hurt in the same way as the humans do, so we should treat them in the same way. No, only in TV, but not in real life. No, not really. Maybe just the people who treat the animals in a bad way don't see you as a threat, and that's why they might not like you and might threaten you.